Hello, welcome to Math 172 Pre-Calculus Trig. I am Mrs. Thompson, your instructor. I am also the department chair for mathematics here at Vance Scramble. In this video, I will be going over important information you need to get started in this course. This information is located on your course syllabus. Located on your course A link to your syllabus is located on your course Moodle homepage. The best way to contact me is by email. My email address is here, Thompson, V as in violin, at vgcc.edu. Course email communications are to be respectful. Emails are addressed within 48 business hours, often sooner. College business hours are 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mondays through Thursdays and 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. on Fridays. The college is closed for MLK Day and Good Friday. Spring break is also excluded. A MyMathLab access code for this course is required. Students who already have an access code that includes the 6th edition of College Algebra and Trigonometry by Duka do not need to purchase an additional code. Students who took Math 171 Advanced Grammar recently should not need to purchase an additional access code. Students who do not have the required MyMathLab access code will not be able to access and complete assignments and therefore will not be able to pass the course. The MyMathLab access code includes an electronic copy of the textbook. An additional hard copy of the textbook is not required, but is also available in the Vance Grammar Bookstore for students who desire it. I will discuss setting up your MyMathLab account in a moment. All required course materials. Regular computer access with internet for the purpose of class lessons and corresponding assignments. This course cannot be completed on a cell phone or tablet. You will need this access at least 4 to 5 days per week. The MyMathLab access code, already mentioned, a scientific calculator, paper for notes and to write steps for assigned problems, and pencils. To set up your MyMathLab account, go to this web address, this website. If you took Math 171 or 172 at Vance Scramble or at another institution using the exact same textbook, you may continue to use the MyMathLab code you already have by following the steps for how to enroll in a subsequent course in MyMathLab using the same textbook. This document is posted under the link to this syllabus in Moodle on your course Moodle homepage. Once you are on the web page, click on Get Registered beside the word Student and follow the directions on the screen to set up a brand new MyMathLab account using a new access code. So this is the procedure for people who did not take Math 171 or 172 recently at Vance Scramble. You will be prompted to enter a Purchase MyMathLab access code or to purchase the code online while setting up your account. You're advised to purchase the code from the Vance Grammar Bookstore or online from Pearson when prompt while setting up your account. Purchasing the code online will require a credit card. Purchasing in any other manner could lead to purchasing an incorrect code. The course ID needed when setting up your MyMathLab account is as follows: Austin-Thompson, followed by the digit 70461. So my last name, followed by the digit 70461 without any spaces. The purpose of this course is to complete the mathematical skills necessary for the study of calculus. Calculus is required for those students seeking a four-year degree in engineering, computer science, mathematics, physics, and also students desiring to go into the medical field, especially as a medical doctor. The structure of this course is weekly modules. They will include textbook readings, notes, video lessons, homework activities, quizzes, and tests. Attendance is counted from the published first scheduled day of class. Students are expected to attend all classes by watching post-video lessons and studying provided notes to learn student learning outcomes. When absences total more than 15% of the total contact hours for a course, the student may be withdrawn from the class in accordance with the college withdrawal procedures. Attendance is recorded weekly. Weekly assignments must be submitted on time to be counted present. Grading. Students' grades will be based on chapter tests, 50% of the final course average, homework, 25% of the final course average, quizzes, 15% of the final course average, and the final exam, 10% of the final course average. Assignments that are not attempt will receive a grade of 0. Because cheating is a form of failure, students who are found to have cheated on a test will have a 0 recorded for that test grade. This procedure isn't aligned with the college's policy on plagiarism. See the online college catalog for detail. Based on information provided by Moodle or MyMathLab, a student may be required to retest face-to-face on campus to receive a test or quiz score. This class is on a 10-point grading scale. The Moodle Gradebook is the official VGCC gradebook. The Moodle Gradebook gives students their course average. The Moodle Gradebook gives students their course average. MyMathLab provides the grade for individual assignments quickly, but not the student's course average. The Moodle Gradebook is updated as soon as possible after the conclusion of each chapter test and at the end of the course. There are no drop grades. Course procedures. Each week by 9 a.m. on Monday, Tuesday if Monday is a holiday, class lessons for the week will be posted in Moodle. On the left side of the course Moodle homepage, you will see the weekly buttons. Students should attend class first by watching provided video lessons and studying provided notes, then afterwards proceed to the corresponding assignment in MyMathLab. Unless otherwise stated, assignments open on Mondays at 9 a.m. and are due the upcoming Friday by 11:59 p.m. A weekend extension, Saturday through 11:59 p.m. Sunday, is automatically included for emergencies, and therefore do not expect an additional extension. You do not email for the extension. You do not email for the extension. To access assignments during the extension, select the entire course to date option on the left at the top of the calendar on your MyMathLab course homepage screen to receive live links to your assignments during the extension period. Life happens, so students are expected to be responsible and not wait until the last minute to complete lessons and assignments. Remember to plan responsibly. If inclement weather that may affect power or internet service is included in the forecast, complete your assignments prior to the storm's arrival. Students are expected to read class announcements and emails regularly. Emails are normally sent to students' VGCC account. Mandatory tutoring. In a college-wide effort to have all students succeed in their college math classes, Vance Granville Community College is implementing mandatory math tutoring through the Academic Skills Center, sometimes referred to as the Student Success Center. Winner students meet one of the triggers below. An email from the VGCC alert system will be sent to the student's Vance Grammar email account informing the student of the tutoring requirement. For students who download the VGCC Aviso app, the message will also be sent to their smartphone. Finally, an option for 2 weeks of free access to MyMathLab is available when setting up your MyMathLab account. This is for those who must purchase a code. Most of you should have one for Mat-171 here at Vance Grammar. Therefore, assignment extensions will not be given for not having access to MyMathLab. The two free weeks cannot be extended.